Billbird's New Boots by Vivian French and Alison Bartlett. This is a 3 stories in one. Green Bananas. In this book, we have the story of Billbird's New Boots, when Billbird went dancing, and hooray for Billbirds. Let's start with the story of Billbird's New Boots. Billbird had a new blue boots with laces. He sat on his bed and looked at his boots, and he said to himself, "Cool!" He ran to show Molly Mouse and Digger Rabbit. He said to them, "Look! Look," he said, "look at my new blue boots." "Wow," said Molly, "cool boots." "Can you run fast in them?" asked Digger. "Let's run a race." 1, 2, 3, go, said Molly. "Oh!" Bill fell over. He crashed. "Why did you fall over?" asked Molly. "Did you run too fast?" "No," said Bill. "I fell over my laces." "Silly Bill," said Digger. "Why don't you tie them in a bow?" "I don't know how," said Bill sadly. "Poor Bill," said Molly. "I'll tie them for you." "Now let's run a race," said Digger. "Oh no!" Digger fell over Molly, and Molly fell over Bill. It's a big crash! Now let's read the story when Billbird went dancing. Billbird wore his big blue boots all the time. Looking at his boots, he always says, "Cool." He wore his boots to school. He wore his boots to play football. He wore his boots in his bath. He even wore his boots in bed. Billbird wore his boots to Molly Mouse's dancing party. He said to his friends, "Hello." No one wanted to dance with him. "Your boots are too big," said Digger Rabbit. "You'll tread on our toes." "Bill," said Molly, "why do you wear your boots all the time?" Bill went very red. "I can't untie my laces," he said. "Poor Bill," said Molly. "I'll untie them for you." "Hello, toes." "Hooray," said Bill. "Thank you." "Will you dance with me, Molly?" asked Digger. "Can I dance too?" asked Bill. "Yes," said Digger and Molly. Now the last story is titled Hooray for Billbird. Billbird was walking to school with Molly Mouse and Digger Rabbit. Digger Rabbit said to him, "Come on." "Hurry up, Bill," said Molly. "Hurry up, Bill," said Digger. "I can't," said Bill. "My boots are too big." Molly looked at Bill's boots. "Where are your laces?" she asked. "In my school bag," Bill said. "Will you tie them for me?" Molly said, "Oh, Bill." "No," said Molly. "I'll show you how to tie a laces." Bill pulled the laces out of his bag, and Molly put them in his boots. Now, Molly said, "Left over right, then under and pull, loop up the right, and loop up the left. Then left over right, tuck under, and pull." "Wow," said Bill. "Look, Molly. Look, Digger. I tied my own laces. Cool." "Hooray for Bill," said Molly. "Hooray for Bill," said Digger. But Billbird said, "Hooray for Molly Mouse." And that's the end of our story. Hooray for Bill, said Molly. Hooray for Bill, said Digger. But Bilbert said, Hooray for Molly Mouse! And that's the end of our story.